My favorite fish of the week is a quick one as well. It's the dead car batteries. So we were the other day we had to do some like Chevrolet Jenga in the back in the garage because we got double vanny and we got the El Camino coming in for the winter.
And they all do.
And so none of them currently run for like maybe a number of reasons.
Yeah.
They're pretty parked. We need to make space. The double vans, they're kind of long, full size vans, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so we had to we'll start the double vannies to get the Camino in. We weren't sure if we were going to pull them up and go sideways or if we were going to take one out and replace it. But then take one out and replace it went away because nothing is starting. So we're kind of brainstorming on like how do we move these massive vehicles.
We should get a third van.
Yeah. We should, but make sure it doesn't work. So we got the Jenga.
Yes, and we can't. But so the idea finally we're like.
I almost drove Vanny 1.0 through a storage container.
Oh.
I thought taking it out of park would help start it.
Oh.
Did it?
No, but it started rolling.
Oh, your foot wasn't on the brake. Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
I think it might be less foot on brake than more so doesn't have that much brakes because the day before I almost ended up between the storage container and the van.
Oh, my God.
Because the plan was, all right, we'll just go in neutral and roll it.
Yeah.
But the garage is on a hill.
Yeah, and
so
she's a heavy.
And there's two dudes from the chute, the tow truck guy down there, and like the vote on just roll them ended up being the majority. But then they're just like, okay, we'll get in front of it and hold it. Like we're just strong enough guys to stop this van from coming down mountain.
And who was that?
And, me and the two dudes from the chute, and Dom's in the driver's seat trying to get it together, make sure he stops it. And then we're like, all right, this will work. We're strong enough. And then immediately after Dom comes off or goes into the brake, you see him stand up out of the seat, like full body weight on the brake. And it was just almost us three dudes inside the storage unit, destroyed by the van.